In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add TikTok feed to Squarespace. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a live auto-updating TikTok feed embedded on your Squarespace site using a simple third-party tool. This keeps your content fresh without manual updates and helps visitors discover your latest clips right on your website. First, head over to Elfsight. Elfsight is a platform that provides ready-made widgets you can drop into your website with just a small snippet of code. Once you're on their site, look for their TikTok feed widget. If you're prompted to sign in or create an account, that's normal. Elfsight uses your account to save your widget settings, so you can tweak the look and behavior later without touching your site again. Next, create your TikTok widget and copy the link or installation code Elfsight provides. In the widget setup, choose the TikTok feed style you like: grid, carousel, or a simple gallery, and adjust basic settings like the number of posts, spacing, and colors so it blends with your brand. Elfsight will then generate an embed snippet or a shareable installation link. Copy that code in full. You'll paste it into Squarespace in a moment. A quick tip: keep the Elfsight tab open so you can return and fine-tune the design later if you want to refresh the look without changing anything on Squarespace. Now, open your Squarespace site and select Edit on the page where you want the feed to appear. Navigate to the exact section, homepage, a dedicated social page, or even a footer area, so you can position the feed where it makes the most sense for your visitors. Finally, click to edit the content area and add your code. Instead of typing into a normal text box, insert a code block in that spot. Paste the Elfsight code or link you copied earlier into the code block, then apply or save your changes. You may see the preview load right away. If not, use the page preview or refresh the live page to confirm it's displaying correctly. When you're happy with the placement and size, save and publish your page. From here on out, your site will automatically pull in new TikTok posts through the widget. That's it. You went to Elfsight, created and copied your TikTok widget, edited your Squarespace page, and added the code in a code block. If the feed ever needs a design update, make changes in your Elfsight dashboard, and they'll reflect on your site without additional pasting. Thanks for watching, and enjoy showcasing your TikToks directly on your Squarespace site.